I was just sent these LED strip lights. This is the 16.4 foot length, but they do have longer lengths. I also chose to get the soft lights, and they do have a cool light as well. Now these are really neat because they are cuttable. So if you get to a place and you say, I don't need any more lights, you can actually cut them and they'll still work. You've got your really long cord here that just plugs into your standard 110 outlet. And I really appreciate how long this cord is, because if you did want to put them, say, in a cabinet and you didn't want them to light up your whole cabinet, this is a really nice length. Now this just has a sticky back to the back of the lights. So your surface, you just need to clean up your surface and then put them on. I'm actually going to attach them underneath my bar here, just to kind of give that nice, warm, welcoming light and highlight my little island here. So here are these lights up close. They are a 3000K warm LED light, and they have 300 LEDs that are inside there. On this little tape right here, just gonna remove it, easily pulls back, and then we stick it on where we wanna start. I've got all my lights all strung up underneath here, and now we are going to connect this in and get it plugged in just by simply taking this, pushing this together. Now this is IP65 water rated, so if you did want to have these as an outdoor light, you can easily do that. Now you have to take care of this cord, but I want to show you how all this looks once it is plugged in and on. So it has a really clean, crisp light under here. I'm going to turn off the lights in the kitchen here. All right, we've got the lights off, and this is a bright light. This is a nice light. I mean, you can't see all those little light bulbs in there, so it's a nice clean cut light. It's not all spotted like a lot of LED lights that I've seen. And it is sticking up there really nice, and it puts off this really pretty glow all the way around my little kitchen area here and makes that very pretty. This is gonna look nice at night. You can just kind of have this on and just kind of have a nice little ambient light. Or like I said, if you wanted to take this outside, put it outside, you can definitely do that too. This was super easy to install. Love that they are cuttable, and it is a solid light.